Yeah, hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. So there is again a breaking news coming from the DSOB, which again started hiring for software developer in Hyderabad, Bengaluru, and Gurugram. Last time I shared a very beautiful opportunity at DSOB, and I got a very good response from that. So again, DSOB has come with the professionals who want to do a job in software development, and again it's a mass hiring alert from the DSOB side. So if you are a skilled programmer and I like experience like C++, Java, or Python, or React, or any of these, then this is an incredible opportunity to work with one of the world's leading financial and technology firms. So in this video, I'll be covering everything you need to know from job details and responsibilities to the required skill sets and of course how you can apply. So, but before we start, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel because we are bringing 3 to 4 job updates daily on this particular YouTube channel. So we are going beyond our ability and posting 4 to 5 jobs daily. So do subscribe to it if you have not done till now, and hit that bell icon also because in this way you will never miss any amazing opportunity from our end. So now let's begin. So the job details, as you can see, is of all positions in software development kind of, and positions location is located in as 3 cities, three kind of major cities of India, which is Hyderabad, Bengaluru, or Gurugram. And qualification, they have mentioned that you should have the experience with either of CPP, Java, Python, React. I mean, all this. If you have back in Java framework knowledge, that is well and good. If you don't have, then also it's fine. You give a try, apply as soon as possible. And this role involves working on cutting edge technology, financial applications, algorithm creation system, and going to make it an exciting opportunity for a developer. So the responsibility of this particular job is going to be something like, as you can see over here, the candidate should have all this knowledge. So you should have you'll be involved into developing, optimizing high performance application to support trading and business operations. Plus you will also be involved into conducting research and development to evaluate new technologies, resolve applications and data users in production within strict timelines, working on full projects life cycles from collecting requirements to deployment. Along with that, you'll also be involved into delivering key projects, collaborating with business teams to deliver insights. Plus, you'll be participating in code and design reviews to maintain the high coding standards. Along with that, you'll also be involved into providing the guidance and mentorship to junior team members. So this is going to be a great exposure kind of role. So never miss this opportunity if you're passionate about coding, solving problems, working in fast-paced environment. Then of course this role is going to be perfect start for you. And the required skill sets and competencies for this role is going to be like strong CPP knowledge, or Java or Python, either of them also fine. Plus you should have the knowledge of React, Redux, RESTful APIs, database, SQL Server, etc. So if you have this skill, that is well and good. Candidates will have experience in Spring also is added advantage. This is going to add an added advantage if you have worked in a backend framework of Java, or kind of JavaScript, jQuery front end. So if these things you are having, it's well and good. If you don't have, then also fine. You can apply to it because it's a kind of mass hiring that is going on through the DSO, and you must have the problem solving analytical thinking skill as well to be eligible for this role. Plus strong communication, interpersonal and prior experience will give you a boost over other. So this is all about the required skills and competencies for this role. So if you are an innovative problem solver with strong programming skills, this job is an excellent opportunity to work with a leading financial firm. So the application link I will be sharing in the description. Do check it out and apply as soon as possible because the sooner the better. And since this is a high competitive role, so of course apply as soon as possible. And benefits of working as DSO is going to be great. Some things will be like very good competitive salaries, working on cutting edge financial technology projects, plus flexible work culture. Along with that, you will also get a world class training and development programs. And yeah, DSO is known for its innovation driven culture, making it one of the ideal place for developers to who want to pursue their career in the technologies, or kind of finance, or all that. and they also have inclusive work culture and diversity. So they are committed to diversity, equity, including in the workplace. So, and of course hybrid work culture, and the company values collaboration, innovations, and career growth opportunity to all employees. So that's it about this role. Don't miss this incredible opportunity to work with DSO. If you are looking to advance your career in software development, apply today. Share this video with your friends who are looking for the role in software development, kind of, and subscribe to our channel if you have not done till now, because you will receive 3 to 4 job updates on this particular YouTube channel daily. That is the promise from our end. So, and also check our other YouTube channel, which is Forge Tech, for in-depth tech tutorials, coding lessons, and industry insights to boost your career. So that's it for this particular video. See you in the next one. All the best.